Hello America, Mark Kelson here today in Junction City, Oregon. Guarantee RV to present to you this 2020 New Aire by Newmar. 3343 floor plan. Let's go inside. High quality, luxurious coach. Let's go look at it. So this is a coach that has all the bells and whistles. We'll just kind of highlight some of the features in it just so that you can take a peek at it. But you come in here, the flex steel seating, very comfortable, nice floor plan. These chairs they turn around, and then you have the two chairs with the dinette right here and then a televator. So good living area in this coach. Now you do have a little stove right here, fireplace that puts out heat and ambiance, very nice. Cabinetry in a Newmar, second to none. Absolutely fabulous. Appointed nicely on the valances, and you got the little sconce lights and everything. This is the real deal right here. Bose sound bar, Corian countertop. You have one big stainless steel sink right there, Moen faucet. Nice window in the kitchen area. That's huge. Now this is going to be an all-electric coach, so you have induction cooktop. And I believe that you can take that out if you want to, and you can take it outside and plug it in outside. So there's that. You have full extension drawers on this coach, so look how far those pull out. And the rails are very nice. This does have Oasis in it, so you have hydronic heating and hot water on demand. Coming into the bathroom, it's a one enclosed bathroom, nice huge shower. Right behind the commode you have a door for safety in case there's an emergency. You open that up, ladder comes down, and you can get out. There's nice lighting in there. The lights aren't on in there, and you still have good ambient lighting. You have the refrigerator right here. Let me see if I can, there we go. So freezer on the bottom, and then the two-door fridge up on top. Very nice Samsung. Here you got the pantry area right there. And coming to the back, this one features a queen bed, very nice, with 6 drawers over there, a nice 42-inch TV, and a window right there. You have the mock windows on the front covering up the other windows, so you can open those or leave them as they are, and then 2 windows on the side for ventilation. Now coming back here, you have the capacity to put a stackable washer and dryer in this coach, or leave it for storage, whatever you desire. And over here on this side, you have a huge area for wardrobe, shoes, and then over here on this side you do have your safe. You have a cathedral ceiling here, so you got a lot more room in this area. Beautiful, beautiful coach. Let's go up front. Nice tile coming up into the living area right here. So this is on a Freightliner chassis, and it's going to have a 340 engine in it, I believe, on this coach. And you do have HWH levelers, place to charge your phone. You have a battery boost, engine braking system. You got the infotainment center here with navigation, everything at the touch of a finger. You have shades up front, electric, or you got visors that will come down also to shade out, filter out the sun. Here's all your buttons for your slide outs and optional equipment and everything like that. This is where all your stuff goes for your Weingart TV satellite if you want to get that. And this does feature the Oasis, more cabinetry right here and here. This cherry is just absolutely beautiful. Nice big seat, another co-pilot info center right there, and great coach. Lot to offer in here. So let's go outside and see what the outside looks like. Coming on the outside, the New Aire features the full body paint. Newmar second to none when it comes to the paint jobs they do, and beautiful colors. The side is also painted to match. You have window awnings on this, along with the Girard awning on top that comes out, and the Girard awning actually fits into the sidewall for a sleeker look. And this is the real deal right here, that's for sure. So you got storage right here. You got a Xantrex inverter right there, Freedom 3012. And this is kind of neat. This little area right here, you got two slide out trays. One comes out here, and then you got the second half of it over there that goes out the other side. And then a half tray right here. It's all lit down there, so you can see really well. Those doors are solid, you see that? TV on the outside, bigger tires. This is a great coach. Coming around to the back, this coach is going to feature a side draft radiator, which gives you access to your motor in the back, which is really very cool. You can do some of the servicing yourself. Oh, it's a 360 in this coach. I'm sorry, I said 340. Here's your tow down here and your camera right here. There is your side draft radiator right there. And then right here's your water bay. So you have an electric hose reel. You have everything. You have a digital readout on your black and gray and freshwater tank. You have an outside shower, a filter system. Here's the door in that bathroom to get out in the case of an emergency. You do have your Oasis right there, your hydronic heating and hot water on demand. Electric cord reel. You have 360 camera viewing on this coach. For safety, you can see what's going on around you. Or for security, either way. Side cameras, your run bay, big generator in front. A lot on this coach. If this coach is of interest to you, or any of the ones we have on the campus, please give me a call, Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the guarantee number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.